Assign your object with a price list item. Create an appropriate category or work section to organize the entire estimate to specific categories for the current item. Add a supercategory. Categories. Subcategories. Assign the categories to the item. View the category structure and the relating cost. Add further categories if necessary. Define a default category. Assign objects to default categories. If the items are already included in the BOQ, but without a category, simply assign these items to a default category. Or link up all items together. Edit object association. View the estimate organized into categories.